name is Kunal Agarwal and I'm from Mumbai, Maharashtra, India. So we have started this company to serve collectors and tackle the biggest problem in this banknote industry, that is forgeries and fake notes. Also alteration and doctoration of notes. What I mean by that is the genuinity of a note is always in the question, because not all collectors are aware about how to detect whether a note is fake or not. You need expertise. Maybe some collectors can develop expertise in one particular type of note or one country's note, but not all. So if you are collecting all notes, that is always a problem. Apart from that, the other problem would be that condition manipulation is done a lot by dealers these days. So a sincere collector, unaware, ignorant, might get fooled by that. So to protect collectors from that and also protect your banknote from the beatings of the nature, from climate, we preserve your banknotes in these museum quality archival sleeves, and also we give them a numeric grade on a scale of 1 to 70, which defines their condition and guarantee you the authenticity of the note. So your note is 100% genuine. And as you asked, you took other company names as well. So there are other companies in the market as well which provide similar service. We all are called TPGs, third party graders. So PMCS is paper money collections certification services. So why should a collector go with our company rather than any other company? The answer is very simple. We are based in the Indian subcontinent, same place. The problem I sensed Nepali collectors here were facing is the issue of postal transition and long turnover times. If they give their note grading for companies abroad, it used to take so much time to get the notes back, plus the charges were not friendly for our subcontinents. They were in high dollar amounts which were not very favorable for Indians and Nepalis, Bangladeshis, everybody in the Indian subcontinent. So what I feel is we provide that reasonability in price, and we also try to hand deliver your notes after grading in a very short period of time within Nepal. Plus we have, being accessible to Nepal, we have experts in Nepali notes on board with us. Usually other companies miss out on prefix in Nepali. They make very common mistakes in the digit 3 and 6 of Nepal which look very similar. We have experts who definitely do not make those mistakes. Apart from that, we also grade advanced Nepali notes like progressive proofs, specimens. So we have that kind of expertise, and hence we request collectors to choose our company. So yes, we started grading 4 years ago and we have graded over 25,000 Indian notes. Only this month we have started expanding internationally and grading foreign notes. So as of now, we have put up a stall in Bangalore and we had received a good response. We graded notes from France, hundreds of years old notes, Qatar and Dubai, these Middle Eastern notes. We have graded those notes, and now this is our first international exhibit, and we'll be doing more to get this international recognition. PMCS Indian notes are already internationally recognized. Like I mentioned, authentication, grading, preservation, handling, these are the benefits you get when you grade with PMCS. Also, our slabs are secure. If you see under UV, even our slabs have UV features in them, so that nobody can even forge the slab here. So we provide that. Apart from that, we have a QR code here. Simply scan this, it will take you to the website, take you to this particular note on our website. So you can show the UV here in the front of the camera. You see some fibers just like in the banknotes. So, and then here is a PMCS watermark as well. So this is how we authenticate even the slab. A collector can, they know they are getting the real deal. Right now we are grading all banknotes, all issued legal tender banknotes, commemorative banknotes. We do not do private issues as of now, and we also are not doing Chinese notes as of now. The reason being, we are still looking for more experts for the same. So once we get more experts on board for those notes, we will be starting with them as well. So there are a lot of equipments and expertise required in grading the notes, and the grade, how do we grade them? The grading scale is similar across for everyone. There is a 1 to 70 scale called the Schendel scale, which has been adopted. It is originally a coin grading scale. It was adopted, converted into a banknote grading scale, and we use the same scale, numeric scale, to grade our banknotes. The definition are same. So with free hands, there are certain security features in notes for common public which they can detect by freehand, just like you use in your daily life. But apart from that, there are certain security features which show up under certain conditions, under use of certain lights, certain machineries, and with them we assure you that this is 100% genuine. So you are asking me that if you cut out a PMCS note from the folder and submit it again, will it receive the same grade? See, the thing is, once removed out of the folder, we cannot guarantee it is the same grade, because it can again face some environmental problems and handling problems. So now it will be regraded. But if it is submitted in the same condition, 100% yes. Of course, there is no scope that the grade will be improved, but there is always a scope that the grade will go down, because once you remove the folder, you touch with your hands, it maybe it's not in the right condition again before submitting, so it can have some damage and the grade can go down. It depends on the type of note. So if you are giving us a basic note in the economy tier, which is our lowest tier, there it will take 25 working days at max, and we also have a top tier where it takes 7 working days at max. I hope this answers your queries.